Good morning, I'm Leigh from Jaw Physio. For all clinic bookings and telehealth or changes to your appointments, you can go to jawphysio.com.au. I'd like to celebrate with you. After 3 years of writing, I've finally finished my little ebook for all conditions to do with jaw pain, headaches, migraines, neck pain and ear noise, and fluid and pressure feelings. And just put in very simple terms, I've translated all the scientific words into everyday lay words with as few statistics as possible, as most of my clients have relayed that most of the books on the market are far too technical and appear to be all doom and gloom and that you'll never get out of these conditions. So I wanted to support people and help them look at all the options that it might take to change your condition. Now obviously I'm not a doctor, so I can't tell you what to do. These are just options. I'm not responsible for your health. You are, and you can discuss that with your family and your doctor. But this is just all the information I have researched as a physiotherapist for 22 years. And obviously I have fixed my own chronic pain conditions that are a lot of common conditions my clients also suffer with. So I paid a lot of money for diet, hormones, psychology, psychotherapy, spirituality, looking at quantum physics, many topics, and each chapter is per organ or per theme, per brain work, so that you can skip anything you don't like. And you can also see parts of my chapters as separate courses. And this is the home page of my website, and everything else is under the DIY courses, and there you can purchase all my courses and my book. And I'm hoping that you feel a lot better and you don't have to wait 30 years to get better like I did, and that I'm just passing on all that goodness to you so that your path is a lot quicker and a lot easier. Thank you.